Hello guys. My name is Rada, and I will be your teacher for the software design pattern in Python. Before we start, I want to show you what you will learn in today's video. In this video, we will understand and see an example in Python of the interface segregation principle. I will use Python 3.8. So, let us start. The interface segregation principle states that client should not be forced to depend on methods it does not use. We will take an example to understand more. A student of mine will help me in this lesson. Student, can you please create a class printer with two methods, one to print in color and one to print in black and white?
Okay, I will create the class printer. Yeah. Like we said, this class has two methods. Okay, def print in color. Okay, just write print document in color, print it, maybe. Okay, and the other def print in black and white. Document in black and white. Okay, now we test our class. If name equal to main, we create an object, we call it office printer. Okay, printer. Now we try it. Office printer, printing color. Office printer, printing black and white. So now test the program. Great, everything is working fine. But what if we have another printer, like we say house printer, which print only in black and white, maybe. So house printer, print in black and white, but we also have house printer, print in color. This method we cannot use this method when we have, for example, a printer which print only in black and white. So that's problem.
So, like you saw, the object office printer can use the two methods without problem, but how about the house printer object, which can only print in black and white? So, the method print in color should not be used, but it is still there, and maybe someone can use it by mistake. As a solution, we can create two classes, color printer and black and white printer, which inherit from class printer, to instantiate the two objects house printer and office printer.
Okay, now let's make the changes. Okay, we will just create plus printer. We will create it with just one method. We call it print, for example, print document. Okay, and this method will not be implemented, so we'll rise not implemented. This method should be implemented in the subclasses, like the class color printer, which inherit from the class printer. This class will also have just the method print document, we print document in color printed. Great. Now the same thing for the black and white document. So just print black and white printer. So we'll print document in black and white. Great. Now we will delete all this. Here, office printer, we will just take it from the class color printer. Okay, and we just use the method print document, and the same thing for house printer. We create an object from the class black and white printer, and we just print the document. Print the documents. Let's test this and see. Okay, great. You see that the office printer has printed the document in color and the house printer has printed the document in black and white. And everything is working fine. Great.
So, using this solution, we use only the methods needed, and we don't have coupling in the code that require us to make changes in many places when we want to change something. We can also reuse the code easily. If you like the video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Thank you for watching. I see you soon.